Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. It's Teresa here, and today I have a hybrid 12 by 12 scrapbook layout for you that I created for the Jefferies creative team. This was created in April for the Jefferies and Lynn Grieveson Substack called Paper, Pixels, and Paint. And if you subscribe there, every month you receive access to a free digital collection and prompts that go with that collection and tons of inspiration and chatter and fun design tips and just a lot of good stuff over there. But if you're not able to subscribe on a monthly basis, you can also purchase these collections in the LilyPad store. This is the Choose collection, and I will have the link to this collection down below at the LilyPad. And so here I'm just showing you the digital elements and the background that I have printed out for this layout. And so the background itself is a combination of 3 of the pattern papers from the collection. And the one at the bottom, the little yellow and blue floral, is actually blended with another patterned paper underneath it. And that creates the bulk of the background. And of course, I've added what I call supporting actors. And so the mixed media elements that you see along the left and right hand sides, those sort of lead your eye across the page diagonally from left to right. And you're met in the middle with this beautiful mixed media compass. And that becomes the home base for the photo, which is then also reinforced by the stitching going across underneath the photo. This photo was taken in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, a couple of years ago at the Sawtooth Center. And there's a little walking bridge outside that goes to another building, and you can sort of sit on the roof, part of the roof there, and just, I don't know, it's kind of a cute place to take pictures. And the interesting thing was that I sat on this photo for a couple of years and never really liked it. But then when I got this collection and saw the yellows and blues, I realized that the colors really match my outfit, my jeans and my t-shirt in the photo. And the brick also in the photo adds this warmth to the layout as well. And so what you have is a contrast between the warm brick tones and this blue, cooler color, and the yellow supports that. Both of those. It supports both of those colors as well. It's just really pretty, and I really ended up liking the layout and liking the photo now. So go look back in your photos that maybe you didn't care so much for in the past, and pull those out and play with them and see what happens and how you look back a little kinder on yourself now. So other supporting actors now are the elements going on top of the layout. The blue and white ribbon becomes a nice little X marks the spot there right underneath the photo. And then that's a nice little place for the flowers to cascade down. And they also come into contact with that compass. And so everything just sort of forms this really soft, gentle cluster here that then really draws your eye in and makes a really pretty layout. Thank you so much for joining me today. Of course, I will have links to the product down below. the Choose Digital Project Kit from Rachel Jefferies and Lynn Grieveson. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you back here again real soon. Bye-bye.